Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl Stars trophies fast. Begin by focusing on mastering a few brawlers that suit your playstyle and the current meta. Each brawler has unique abilities, so understanding their strengths and how they interact with others is crucial for victory. Selecting brawlers you know exceptionally well gives you a significant advantage, allowing you to consistently outperform opponents and gain more trophies with fewer losses. Selecting the right game mode and understanding the current map rotation is key to quick trophy gains. Some modes naturally offer more consistent wins if you adapt your brawler choice. For instance, Gem Grab often rewards controlled team play, while Brawl Ball demands good positioning and goal-scoring instincts. Always consider the map's layout and pick a brawler that genuinely thrives in that specific environment. Playing with a consistent team can significantly boost your trophy progress. Coordinated attacks and timely retreats are much easier when you know your teammates' habits and brawler choices. Effective communication, whether through pings or voice, allows for seamless execution of strategies. A well-oiled team of 3 working together will almost always overcome a group of random players, leading to many more victories. Consistent practice refines your skills and ensures you are always improving your gameplay. Staying updated on the current meta, including which brawlers are strong or weak, gives you a competitive edge in every match. Watching skilled players can also provide valuable insights into advanced tactics and decision-making. Remember to learn from every game, whether you win or lose, and always maintain a positive attitude for sustained success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.